So this is my updated Easy Web Design Tutorials website. For a few years now, I've been searching for a new theme I could use. I went from Beans framework, and I also use Genesis frameworks, and this is then Blocksy. So it has a really nice customized section here, a nice overview. There's so many options here that one can perform various actions. So for instance, here we have blog posts, single post, how you want it set up on the page, and boxed or wide. So, and also some spacing of both up and down, bottom, top, bottom, and no extra spacing. And there's also various elements one can click into here. You see the arrow here, we can click into it. So, and also the pages, we have something similar here. Author page, search page, tutorials is my custom post type. I can choose various here what I want that to look like, as we see it here. So column and posts. So right now this is then, we see it a little bit smaller because it's in responsive design. So we just see two here for the moment. So there are just a lot of options in the customize area. So I decided then to switch to Blocksy because of all the options and the things that I actually really need. And it is also really fast. So we can go with creative themes and just see some information about Blocksy. As mentioned, it is really fast. It has also starter sites here, and kind of like templates, or if you want to call them child themes, you could probably do that as well. So it has really nice performance, and it's just offers a lot. So I decided to use that on the Easy Web Design Tutorials website, as well as various clients' websites. Thank you.